Okay, thanks for joining Londe Properties construction today. I'm going to take you on the drive in. I'm meeting the architect this morning. Her name is Kix. She likes to come by, as I mentioned, every month or so and check on the progress. It's part of our service, or part of her services, which is excellent. Very happy with this architect and the service she's provided for me. I just went through the first gate guardhouse. There's two. This is, you can see how vacant the property here is. This is not officially part of our development, but coming up here where this second gate is officially part of our development. This is phase 2. And now we are entering phase 1. The guy recognizes me, opens the gate, and gives a salute, which I am not worthy, but that's that. So there's one house you can see that's completed. That one's probably several years old. This is ours. Sorry, we keep getting blurry. That's picking up the dashboard. Here's us. And so we have 3 lots. This is the first lot, the middle lot, and the third lot. This house is under construction here. These houses here were recently completed within the last 12 months roughly. This one and this one, and then right down here is the clubhouse. I'll turn around in the parking lot. I'll drive through the parking lot and I'll take us. I'll drive a little bit around more here. So there's a clubhouse. It's not really completed yet. We are having a meeting here this morning, or this afternoon. I'll be attending. There's a pool back there that is not completed. So hopefully we're trying to get some progress made here, like on street lights. And I'm not exactly sure what. Since I don't live here, I'm not really terribly involved in the inner workings of the HOA, what's going on and what's not going on. But you can see there's quite a few larger homes here. We're one of the smaller ones, except for that guy across the street. So the beach is just to my right here. This is probably not the best way to get to it. So there's a beach, as I was saying. I had the sneezes, so I don't want to subject you to that. House off here to the left, and down here. You can get beach access here, I believe. You used to be able to. I forget what this is off to the left. It's a big place. I don't know what that is. Can't remember. Somebody told me once what it was, and I just don't remember. I think it's more than just a house. I think it's a rental, hotel-ish sort of a thing. So, can we get through this gate? No, this gate is locked again. So, not that it's really the best access to the beach anyway. There's much better sandy beach accesses that we can get to, but they got a nice solid door up there now. So anyway, so that's kind of our development. That is, I'm gonna believe that this development was kind of in its prime when COVID hit, shut everything down. which made it so people weren't buying the property and building and developing on it because they couldn't. And then some of the things weren't getting done, and I honestly just don't know. So, I wonder what that is. So, that looks like a new house going up there. I did not know that. I want to pull up to this gate up here, show it to you. Ask what it is. Is this private property or is this part of beach access? I'll ask them. I'm sure it's private. Okay, so a nice person came out and explained this to me. This is a resort, Climacto, Climacto, something like that. Climacto Beach Resort. And so that you can rent hotel space, or a room there. Oh, and that's part of that first gate I went up to. I'll make a note of that in my when I edit this video. I'll write the name over that first fence that I came up to and wasn't sure what it was. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on pause again because this is not terribly exciting. Okay, I made a quick stop at the clubhouse. Here is entering the property, coming from the other direction, and we'll see if Kix is here yet. It's just a little bit after 10, so I am on time Philippine style. And let's just see here. Don't see any work going on at their site, but you never know. Nope, there's a car, so I'm going to assume that is her. Okay, let's just see. And there's our architect's contact information right there. This gate is open. Yes, it is. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Is that the architect's car?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's see where we at today. Looks like they're pouring concrete up there. That machine must be really fun to bring up and down. 30 feet. You know, cement mixer. Jeez.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. So we got some more done here on the outside. Site looks nice and clean. I like that. Clean site, safe site. Oh, there's our roofing. Let's get over and take a good look at that. Boy, those are big sheets, aren't they? Holy smoly. The final color, or is that a... No, that's a Perfective film, because the roof's white. And this is our fascia flashing. It'd be nice to get some roof up there. Keep the water from going straight in. And I see the back of our architect over here. Must be, yeah, it's break time, so everybody's sitting around, which is fine. Must be. Put your shirt on, Carmelo. It's a family show. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Kix. Good afternoon, Ken. Good morning, I mean.
Good morning.
Yeah, I've been up a long time. Okay. And we're down to 200. I'm like, I said, what was Odette? She goes, 200. And I'm like, well, she goes, but Odette was, once in a lifetime. Well, I don't know about once in a lifetime. I think it's. And then out here, we'll put our trusses up, and then we'll put our wood boards on top of it, and they'll be level with this.